So viewers, let's talk about Delhi's air quality that has deteriorated sharply this morning. According to data from the Central Pollution Control Board, the air quality index recorded at 7 a.m. today stood at 350. So this places the air in the very poor category. As the capital chokes under the smog, the blame game has kicked off. The BJP and the Congress and now the Aam Aadmi Party in the mix as well. My colleague Shivani Mishra is joining us from Akshardham. Mohit Om joins us from East Delhi, and Rishabh is also on the broadcast with us to talk about what the situation is like. Let me begin with Shivani. And Shivani, Akshardham temple seen from a distance has become an indicator of what the pollution levels are in the national capital region time and again. What is the situation like today?
Well, indeed, again, the symbol can be seen here of Delhi pollution right after Diwali that we always see. And right now we are, as reporting outside Akshardham flyover, you can see first the layer of this road, the expressway. You'll see that very low visibility is there. In fact, on the left hand, if you see, the entire level of fog can be seen. In fact, a layer of depth fog can be seen, which also raises question over what measures have been taken to control these scenarios. On the other side, of course, we'll go back to the Akshardham temple. Of course, a black fog, a layer of black fog can be seen clearly, which again indicates the very poor quality of air. In fact, as we were mentioning about the Central Pollution Control Board, they have also given their data that till last night, till 10 p.m., of course, multiple locations of Delhi were seeing a very poor quality of air. In fact, now most of the part of Delhi are still under the red zone, under the red light, under the very poor category. Out of 36 such meters to measure the air pollution, there are 33 such stations. Those are under very poor category. In fact, 4 such areas were under the very severe category till last midnight, because the Supreme Court had given permission to burst the crackers only between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. But of course, the celebration continued till midnight. Complete whole night people were celebrating Diwali, and now that has caused an affection over this polluted air that it is getting difficult for people to even breathe. Not only that, it is getting difficult to breathe, but similarly it is challenging for kids, people those are asthmatic, senior citizens, and similarly green patakas, green crackers were something those were allowed. But now what we see that people have not burst enough of green crackers, rather more polluted category of crackers were burst, and henceforth the effect of that can be seen. Again, let me take you through the visual where you will see the whole area of Akshardham temple. If you pan through from one side to another, not 200 meter of visibility can be seen clearly. That again raises question that is Diwali people will celebrate at the cost of polluted air, because this scenario continues every year. Government continues to say that they are taking enough measure, there are protocols being followed, there are instructions being given to people, but similarly what we see again remained a very poor category for people of Delhi, and in fact NCR region as well. Most of the parts of Noida, Ghaziabad and other adjoining areas of Delhi are still facing very poor and low quality of air even today, this morning.
In fact, we're playing out the numbers as well, reaching as much as over 700, which is considered hazardous category, and that as well in some of the areas. Mohit, is the situation better than it was last year? What are you seeing around you compared to what we've witnessed over the years?
देखिए, पिछले सालों की बात करें तो दिवाली के अगले दिन ही स्थिति काफी ज्यादा विकट देखी जाती है, और इस बार भी स्थिति वही है कि अगर हवा में बात करें तो हवा में अभी भी पटाखों की गंध महसूस की जा रही है, आंखों में जलन महसूस की जा रही है। यानी दिल्ली के प्रदूषण की जो मात्रा है वो इस वक्त काफी ज्यादा भयावह है, क्योंकि अगर मैं घनी आबादी वाले एक इलाके में खड़ा हूँ, आपको सीधा दिखाऊं, इलाका दिखाऊं, ये वो जगह है जहाँ से कल काफी ज्यादा पटाखे छोड़े गए हैं। ना सिर्फ ग्रीन क्रैकर, उसके अलावा भी जो दूसरे पटाखे हैं जिनसे ज्यादा धुआं होता है, ज्यादा आवाज होती है, वो पटाखे यहाँ से छोड़े गए हैं। इसलिए यहाँ की स्थिति अभी भी करीब 400 के आसपास बनी हुई है। PM 2.5 385 के आसपास है, यानी स्थिति बहुत ज्यादा विकट है, और इसी बात को लेकर भी चिंता व्यक्त की रही थी, अगर दिवाली के दौरान पटाखे छोड़े जाते हैं तो इस प्रदूषण दिल्ली में जो खराब चल रहा है वो और ज्यादा खराब हो सकता है। और इस बार भी वही स्थिति देखने को मिल रही है, क्योंकि जिस वक्त हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर पटाखों की गंध महसूस की जा रही है जो हवा में मौजूद है, और बात करते करते आंखों में जलन भी महसूस की जा रही है। यानी जो पटाखे कल दिल्ली के अंदर जलाए गए हैं उससे प्रदूषण की मात्रा और ज्यादा बढ़ हुई है। और ये हर बार की स्थिति है जब देखा जाता है कि दिवाली के अगले दिन ये स्थिति बनती है। लेकिन अगर डाटे की कंपैरिजन करें तो इस बार पटाखे ज्यादा छोड़े गए हैं, लेकिन जो प्रदूषण की मात्रा है वो थोड़ी कम नोट की जा रही है। अगर मैं इस दिल्ली की ही बात करूं तो लास्ट ईयर भी हमने इस सेम लोकेशन से रिपोर्ट करी थी, जहां पे जो पोल्यूशन की मात्रा थी वो 450 यानी PM 2.5 450 के पार था। लेकिन इस बार थोड़ा कम जरूर है, लेकिन स्थिति वैसी बनी हुई है। इसलिए आज ओवरऑल अगर दिल्ली की बात करें तो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से एडवाइजरी है कि बच्चों को और सीनियर सिटीजन को आज बाहर ना निकाले, क्योंकि इमरजेंसी वाली कंडीशंस है। खासकर बच्चों के लिए उनको सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो सकती है, और जो बुजुर्ग है खासकर से जो हार्ट पेशेंट्स हैं उनको बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ महसूस हो सकती है।
Okay, all right. Do stay with us. We have Mohit Bhatt also joining us from ITO. And Mohit, any details on any efforts being taken up by the government to ensure the air becomes better? Because often while we also speak of the long-term measures, currently the air quality is severe in many of the places across Delhi NCR region. What are the efforts being taken or being planned by the government?
Well, Pratibha, first of all, I'll give a glimpse of what's happening over here. Right now, we are reporting from ITO, and you can see there's a smog that has engulfed the whole area. You can see it's a bit hazy, and this is not fog, this is smog. And we know for a fact that how in many parts of Delhi, the air quality index has gone into very poor category to severe category. And but the crackers are not just the contributing factor. Post Diwali, yes, the AQI has gone up, the pollution level has increased, but yesterday also before Diwali we saw that how exactly the air quality index in Delhi was in a very poor category, and in fact in Anand Vihar it was already in severe category. Now what we see as of now is that when the Environment Minister of Delhi spoke 2 times now yesterday, I asked him that what exactly is the reason again that suddenly the air quality index has gone to the severe category. He blamed stubble burning for it, but in the end people in Delhi NCR are suffering, Pratibha. They need concrete solution. As of now, what would be that concrete solution? Because temporary measures are being taken. And also, Pratibha, Manjinder Singh Sirsa a few days ago while addressing a press conference also stated that artificial rain could happen in Delhi. The government has taken all the steps. The tests have been completed. Okay. So the artificial rain could also be an option for the Delhi government. When exactly that happens, that remains to be seen. But as we speak, the air quality index in Delhi, in many parts of Delhi, has reached to very poor to severe category, which is very, very harmful specifically for the elderly and for the kids. And these are the visuals from ITO. My camera person Ankit will show you that how there is smog over here. The thick layer of smog that has engulfed the whole area, and given the fact that today is a working day, people will surely come out. You can see traffic on the roads, and people will face problems. So Grab 2 restrictions are in place in Delhi. So whether we'll see
Grab 2 is in place. Let's see if that's going to help the situation or not. Rishabh, as Mohit pointed out as well, today also happens to be working day, so many are also going to be out on the streets. What are you seeing around you? What's the situation like? Air quality severe?
Well, Pratibha, if we talk about Noida, Ghaziabad, or for that matter, the whole of Delhi NCR region, Dushant Singh's, one line actually comes to mind. कहा तो वादा था हर घर चिरागा, कहाँ चिराग नहीं है शहर के लिए भी. I'll ask my camera person to show. You'll see a thick layer of smog all around. These are those high rises where the working class live in Delhi NCR. These are the high rises where the these are most populous regions here. It might look open, but the density of people living in these high rises are something that needs to be taken into consideration. And we are here giving you a bird eye view of what Noida looks like right now. I'll ask my camera person to focus on this data that we are seeing here right now. The AQI index, Pratibha, if you see 414. And what is this? This is the area under effect, the thick layer of smog that can be seen here over Delhi NCR. Gurugram for that matter, Faridabad, Noida, Ghaziabad. Do you see this whole black spot? This is the smog cover over Delhi NCR.
Okay.
Grab 2 is in place, as Mohit was also pointing out. But having said that, what are the measures that the government has taken? Were the crackers checked before they were sold? Unauthorized crackers have been sold whole over NCR, and especially when it comes to Noida or Ghaziabad, the crackers selling was completely unchecked.
Yes.
As Supreme Court had given a time between 8 to 10 p.m. till 12 a.m. at night, the crackers were bursting. The traffic situation, yes, it was better yesterday or for that matter Sunday, but till Dhanteras, till Saturday, things were out of hand. It were taking people hours to reach their destination as well. There have been multiple reports of
you showed the indices as well on the numbers in multiple areas across the Delhi NCR region, and these indices show the reality, but the situation does look better this time as compared to the last year. The focus, of course, has to be on ensuring long-term measures, and for the immediate next 2 days as well, what the situation is going to be like. I'm thanking Shivani, Mohit Om, Rishabh as well as Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast with the details on the ground. But let's also talk about the politics around it. Who is responsible for this? Who is responsible for the air that we are breathing, the pollution for it as well? Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa as well as BJP leaders have pointed fingers at the neighbouring states like Punjab, blaming stubble burning for the worsening AQI in Delhi. They say that the Punjab government promised a solution but is yet to take any action. The Delhi BJP chief as well as other leaders in the party have also spoken about how the BJP government has ensured that Hindus could celebrate their festival because previously Diwali would always be blamed for the pollution.
दिल्ली में तो अगर कल और आज की बात करें, ना तो रोड पोल्यूशन था, जो व्हीकुलर पोल्यूशन है बिल्कुल नहीं था। कोई दिल्ली में जाम नहीं लगने दिए गए, ट्रैफिक को बहुत स्मूथ रखा गया दिल्ली के अंदर ना तो दिल्ली के पिछले 2 दिन से कोई ऐसा इंडस्ट्री का पोल्यूशन बढ़ा था और ना ही कोई ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्शन। लेकिन आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा, कल के अखबारों में भी छापा, आज का भी दिल्ली के जो पड़ोसी जगह हैं उनके ऊपर AQI लेवल दिल्ली से भी ज्यादा बदतर है, तो उसका हालात दिल्ली में पहुंच रहे हैं। दूसरा, जो खेतों के अंदर जो पराली को जलाया जा रहा है उसके ऊपर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रोक नहीं लगा रही। क्या वो जानबूझकर करवा रही है, नहीं करवा रही, मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन रोक नहीं लगा पा रही। इसका नुकसान जो है दिल्ली को भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
ऐसा कि इसके लिए पंजाब की भगवंत मान की सरकार जिम्मेवार है, जिनकी ड्यूटी थी किसानों को एजुकेट करने की, उन्हें उपकरण देने की, साधन देने की, पूरी तरह असफल रही है। और यहां तक कि पंजाब की भगवंत मान की सरकार ने चुनाव से पहले एक घोल देने का वादा किया था। आज तक 4 साल हो गए, वो धरती की उपजाऊ शक्ति बढ़ाने वाला और पराली को खत्म करने वाला घोल नहीं पहुंचा। केजरीवाल साहब, 4 साल बीत गए आपकी सरकार को, किसान इंतजार कर रहे, कब पहुंचेगा।
लेकिन दिल्ली की पुरानी सरकारों ने हमारे सनातन के त्योहारों को बाधित करने का काम किया, जानबूझकर उसमें रोलेट करने का काम किया। अब दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, तो हमारी मुख्यमंत्री उन सभी पुरानी परंपराओं को एक तरह से उनको जीवित करने का भी प्रयास करें और उसको उल्लास के साथ मनाने की कोशिश करें। तो ये सीधा सीधा संदेश होगा कि दिल्ली भविष्य का दिल्ली बनने जा रही है, एक विकसित दिल्ली बनने जा रही है जो जगमगाएगी भी और खुशियां भी बांटेगी।
देखिए, पिछली सरकारें सनातन के त्योहारों के प्रति द्वेषपूर्ण रवैया रखती थी। पिछली सरकारें वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स के चलते अल्पसंख्यकवाद को बढ़ावा देती थी। मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार सभी वर्गों को, सभी सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी को, सभी धर्मों को बराबर का मौका देती है। इसीलिए आज आप जगमग दिवाली देख रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, the Congress leader Udit Raj has said that stubble burning isn't the only cause of Delhi's pollution. Firecrackers are to blame. He adds that the Supreme Court had banned firecrackers in the city, but it was the BJP that pressured the court into lifting the ban.
If stubble burning is there, then of course that is a perennial and goes on 30 days, 25 days. But why sudden spurt in for a day? Since yesterday, AQI is high. Can they explain it? The rich people, decent people, They are leaving the country or settling other countries because they find that the clean and all. It's a culture of BJP to blame others and mix up everything with the religion. Supreme Court banned, then of course they protested and they mounted pressure on Supreme Court and Supreme Court lifted the ban.